How to redeem Xbox gift card with points. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll show you on how to redeem Xbox gift cards using points. It's a simple process, so follow along carefully if you game on an Xbox console. You may have heard of Microsoft Rewards, where you can earn points by completing tasks in and out of games. These points can be used to redeem gift cards, and I'll demonstrate on how to redeem points on the Xbox website. Remember that you can also access the Microsoft Rewards directly through your console by locating the middle icon under the standard apps. To redeem the points on the website, go to xbox.com in the web browser and select My Xbox from the top. Now from the drop-down menu, click on Rewards. This takes you to the Rewards page where you can learn how to earn and redeem points. Assuming that you are familiar with earning points and just want to redeem them, simply click on Redeem Points over here. You will be redirected to rewards.bing.com, where you can browse available rewards in your region. Focus on the Xbox digital gift card, adjust the amount to your currency, and require it using your point. You can repeat this process for more gift cards or choose from other options like Roblox. Visit rewards.bing.com to redeem your points or use the same process on your console. So this was all about how to redeem Xbox gift card with points. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.